Sisters and brothers of America, today as I stand here, my heart is filled with deep joy. Your warm welcome has touched me deeply. I come from a land that has taught the world not just tolerance, but love for all paths to the divine. In India, we don't just accept other faiths, we embrace them as true. We believe that every religion leads to the same ultimate truth, though the paths may look different. I feel proud to represent a nation that opened its heart to all those in need. We gave shelter to the Jews when their temple was destroyed, and to the Parsis when they had no place to go. India has never closed its doors to anyone. Let me share a line that I have heard since childhood, and millions still chant it today. As different rivers flow into the same ocean, so all paths lead to you, O Lord. That is the spirit of India, unity in diversity. Different beliefs, different customs, but one universal soul within all. This great gathering of spiritual voices, this parliament of religions, is not just a meeting. It is proof that humanity is ready to rise above narrow thinking. For too long, fanaticism and hate have ruled this earth. They have spilled blood in the name of God. They have broken nations and hearts alike. But now their time is over. A new dawn is rising, a dawn of peace, respect, and understanding. Let the bell that rang this morning be the death bell of all hatred, of all divisions, and of all cruelty done in the name of religion. Let us not ask which religion is better. Let us ask how can we love more. Let us not divide the world into us and them, but unite it with compassion and truth. We are all children of the same divine source. Let our words bring peace. Let our actions spread light. And let our hearts reflect the unity that already exists beneath all difference.